Welcome back, students. In this video we will start the MGF and cumulants for Erlang distribution. Erlang distribution definition we did with gamma distribution definition. So here I am finding out the moments using the MGF and cumulant function. Firstly, I will write down the MGF formula. After that, from that MGF formula we will find out kxt, which is cumulant generating function, and after that we will differentiate with respect to parameter and then we will get our moments. Okay, तो mxt का formula क्या है? mxt is expectation of e की tx which will be 0 से infinity. The only difference is of this a की पावर लैम्डा e की माइनस ax x की लैम्डा माइनस 1 dx अपॉन में gamma of lambda. This is your function. Now gamma of lambda is independent of this integration 0 to infinity e की minus x minus, and a की power lambda is also independent. नहीं, wait, 1 upon में gamma of lambda e की power minus x a minus t a की lambda x की lambda minus 1 dx. This complete formula is 1 upon में gamma of lambda into gamma of lambda. I discussed this formula in very deep way in the gamma distribution. ठीक है, so I am not explaining it again and again. So I am writing the result directly. Here what will come? A minus t, the coefficient of this, raised to the power the parameter which you are taking. So gamma of lambda से gamma lambda will cancel out. Here it will be a minus t की power lambda. Now this is your mxt function. Now kxt, cumulant generating function. kxt will be log of mxt. log लूँगी, log of 1. log of a by b is log of 1 minus log of a minus t की power lambda. log 1 will be 0, so that will be minus lambda will come forward, log of a minus t. To your first moment d by dt of kxt at t is equal to 0. This will be your k1 t, which is your mean, mu1 dash. It will be minus lambda upon में a minus t. This a minus t का differentiation तो minus 1 at t is equal to 0. So it is lambda. d2 by dt2 kxt at t is equal to 0. It will be k2 mu2 dash. It will be differentiation of lambda by a minus t. तो ये आएगा minus lambda a minus t की power minus 2, and differentiation of this a minus t will be minus of 1, which would make it plus lambda at t is equal to 0. So it will be lambda again. I am not doing here in explicit way because in the same way we did in gamma distribution. T is equal to 0 will be your k3 will be, this is mu2, mu3, and that will be 2 lambda directly. d की 4 by dt की 4, wait, so here not only lambda, I did one mistake. When you put t is equal to 0, lambda by a, again lambda by a, here lambda by a square. Why lambda by a square? Not a square actually. Here will come lambda by a square. Here lambda by a cube. क्योंकि lambda by a minus t का whole square में when you put t is equal to 0, you will get lambda by a का square. I thought कि a is 1 here also. That's why I am writing lambda everywhere. But it is lambda by a square. हो गया? kxt at t is equal to 0 will be your k4. Okay, so from here you will find out your k4. 2 3 is 6 lambda by a की 4, and then by using the formula mu4 is equal to k4 plus 3 k2 square, you can find out your mu4. Now in Erlang distribution, gamma distribution में तो your mean and variance both are same, but in Erlang distribution what about that? तो देखो lambda by a and lambda by a square. Let's discuss the case. I'm making the cases here. Okay, if a is equal to 1, so both are equal, right? If a is equal to 1, if a is less than 1, अगर a less than 1 है तो this term will be negative always and this term will be positive always. Maybe it is less than 1 or it is also less than -1, but still this will be something positive which is greater than 0 always, and it is something negative which is always less than 0. यहाँ पे आपका लैम्डा हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा, ठीक है? तो दिस इनइक्वालिटी विल कम इफ a इज ग्रेटर देन 1. अगर a 1 से बड़ा है तो यहाँ पे a यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग ट्वाइस, दैट मीन्स इट विल इंक्रीज द डिनोमिनेटर, है ना? जैसे ही डिनोमिनेटर यू विल इंक्रीज, द कंप्लीट टर्म विल डिक्रीज. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर इसके कंपैरिजन में छोटा है. किसी भी नंबर को देखो, न्यूमरेटर में बोथ साइड वी हैव लैम्डा, डिनोमिनेटर से द कंप्लीट नंबर वी कैन जज. तो यहाँ पे जितना ज़्यादा यू विल मेक डिनोमिनेटर लेस, मोर बिगर नंबर यू विल गेट. तो इस केस में इट विल बी ग्रेटर. तो यहाँ पे लैम्डा बाई ए इक्वल होगा लैम्डा बाई ए स्क्वायर के, यहाँ पे लैम्डा बाई ए लेस देन होगा लैम्डा बाई ए स्क्वायर के, लैम्डा बाई ए ग्रेटर देन होगा लैम्डा बाई ए स्क्वायर के. Okay, this is all about your Erlang distribution moments. If you like the video, please like it, share with your friends and subscribe the channel.